Welcome to the Amazon. This is the biggest rainforest on our planet. It is a vast green world stretching across many countries in South America. Think of it as a giant living lung for the earth. The trees here breathe in the bad air, carbon dioxide, and breathe out the fresh air we all need, oxygen. This massive forest is so big that it creates its own weather. Clouds form above the treetops, bringing the rain that keeps the forest alive and thriving. This constant cycle of rain and sun makes it a perfect home for millions of different plants and animals, a place of incredible life. The importance of the Amazon cannot be overstated. It is a treasure chest of biodiversity. Scientists believe that 1 in 10 of all known species on Earth lives here. This includes countless types of insects, fish, mammals, birds, and plants. Many of these have not even been discovered yet. The forest also plays a huge role in keeping our world's climate stable. The sheer number of trees helps to absorb heat and regulate temperatures globally. Losing the Amazon would be like losing a vital organ of our planet, with consequences that would be felt by everyone, everywhere, no matter how far away they live. Imagine flying over this incredible place. From above, it looks like an endless green carpet. The mighty Amazon River, the largest river in the world by volume, snakes through the heart of it all. This river is the lifeblood of the forest, providing water for all living things and acting as a highway for animals and people. Its waters are full of life, from tiny fish to giant river monsters. The forest floor is a different world, dark and mysterious, where sunlight struggles to break through the thick canopy of leaves. Every single part of this ecosystem is connected, working together in a delicate balance. This great green ocean is more than just a collection of trees and rivers. It is a place of wonder, a source of mystery, and a home to an astonishing array of life. For centuries, it has captured the imagination of explorers and scientists. It holds secrets that we are only just beginning to understand, from new medicines hidden in plants to ancient cultures that have lived in harmony with nature for generations. The Amazon is a living library of natural history, and its story is the story of our planet. It is a world that commands respect and demands our protection. The Amazon is crawling with some of the most spectacular animals you could ever hope to see. Deep in the shadows, the jaguar roams. This is the king of the jungle, a powerful and elusive big cat. It is a master of camouflage, with a beautiful spotted coat that helps it blend into the dappled sunlight of the forest floor. Jaguars are incredible hunters. They are strong swimmers and skilled climbers, able to hunt in the trees, on the ground, and even in the water. They stalk their prey silently, using their immense power to take down animals like capybaras and deer. Seeing one in the wild is a truly unforgettable experience. Look to the rivers, and you might see something magical. The Amazon River dolphin, also known as the Boto or pink river dolphin, is a truly unique creature. Unlike their ocean cousins, these dolphins are specially adapted to life in the murky river waters. They are incredibly flexible, able to turn their heads at sharp angles to navigate through flooded forests and around tangled roots. Local legends say these dolphins are shapeshifters, magical beings that guard the river. Their intelligence and playful nature make them one of the most beloved animals of the Amazon, a true symbol of the river's wild spirit. High up in the canopy, the trees are alive with sound and movement. This is the world of monkeys. Troops of howler monkeys fill the air with their loud booming calls that can travel for miles through the dense forest. Tiny, energetic squirrel monkeys leap from branch to branch, searching for fruits and insects. The spider monkey, with its long limbs and prehensile tail that acts like a fifth arm, swings gracefully through the treetops. Each species has its own way of life, its own social structure, and its own special place in the complex web of the rainforest canopy. A bustling city in the trees. The Amazon is also a paradise for birds. The air is filled with the flash of brilliant colors. Toucans with their enormous, brightly colored beaks hop among the branches, while tiny hummingbirds, like flying jewels, dart from flower to flower. And then there are the macaws. These large, spectacular parrots fly in noisy, colorful flocks. Their bright red, blue, and yellow feathers are a breathtaking sight against the green backdrop of the forest. These birds are vital to the health of the rainforest, spreading seeds from the fruits they eat and helping new trees to grow across the jungle. For thousands of years, people have called the Amazon rainforest home. These are the indigenous tribes, the original inhabitants of this great forest. They are not just living in the Amazon, they are a part of it. There are hundreds of different tribes, each with its own unique language, culture, and traditions. They have developed an incredible understanding of the forest, a deep wisdom passed down through countless generations. For them, the forest is not a wilderness to be conquered. It is a sacred home that provides everything they need to live, thrive, and prosper. The tribe's connection to nature is profound. They are the ultimate survival experts. They know which plants can be eaten, which can be used to build houses, and which can be turned into powerful medicines. A walk through the jungle with a tribal member is like walking through a giant pharmacy and supermarket. They can find remedies for fevers, cures for snake bites, and food from roots, fruits, and nuts that an outsider would never even notice. This knowledge is not written in books. It is a living library, held in the minds of the elders and taught to the young. Respect is the foundation of their relationship with the forest. The tribes do not take more than they need. When they hunt an animal, they use every part of it. When they gather plants, they do so in a way that allows the plants to grow back. They see the animals, the trees, and the rivers as living spirits deserving of respect. They understand the delicate balance of the ecosystem and know that their own survival depends on keeping that balance intact. This deep spiritual connection ensures that they live in harmony with their environment, acting as its true guardians and protectors. This way of life is now under threat. As the outside world pushes deeper into the Amazon, the tribes face new challenges. Their lands are being taken, their rivers are being polluted, and their ancient cultures are at risk of being lost forever. Protecting the Amazon also means protecting the rights and the knowledge of its indigenous people. They are the keepers of ancient secrets and the masters of sustainable living. Their wisdom is more valuable than ever as we all face the challenge of protecting our planet for the future. The Amazon is a world where everything is connected. The jaguar that stalks the forest floor depends on the peccaries that feed on fallen fruits. Those fruits come from trees that were pollinated by birds and bats. The birds, in turn, find shelter in the high branches of the canopy. The river provides water for the trees and a home for the dolphins. The indigenous people depend on all of these things: the plants for medicine, the animals for food, and the river for water and transport. Every single piece of this giant puzzle is essential for the survival of the whole. This intricate web of life is what makes the Amazon so special, but also so fragile. When one part of the system is damaged, the effects ripple outwards. Deforestation, the cutting down of trees for farming, logging, and mining, is the biggest threat. When trees are removed, animals lose their homes and their food sources. The soil washes away into the rivers, polluting the water and harming aquatic life. The delicate balance that has existed for millions of years is broken, and the entire ecosystem begins to suffer, unraveling thread by thread. The fate of the Amazon is not just a local issue, it affects every single one of us. The health of this great rainforest helps to regulate the climate of the entire world. The oxygen it produces is breathed by people on the other side of the planet. The undiscovered plants within it could hold the cure for diseases that affect all of humanity. When we lose a piece of the Amazon, we are losing a piece of our shared global heritage. We are losing potential scientific discoveries. We are losing incredible biodiversity, and we are losing a critical ally in the fight against climate change. We all have a role to play in protecting this incredible world. We must support the work of conservation organizations and the rights of the indigenous tribes who are on the front lines, fighting to save their home. We must make conscious choices as consumers to ensure the products we buy do not contribute to deforestation. The Amazon is a treasure of unparalleled value, a source of life and wonder. It is our responsibility to act as its guardians, to ensure that its wild heart continues to beat for many generations to come. The future of the jaguar, the river dolphin, the tribes, and ourselves depends on it.